Kikubo kibubunya. Ya ka Pynbna na kabenta ke Ilekshon sya ka KHASI an senang penmi ha ka apnyo Tarik mentau benai ukala lingkon. Ka balong Khadc jong ka sedang jong ka model code of conduct. La ban ka dau ba ka Jingthep vote kan long ha ka aphui Tarik urempang ha ka ba ka nyo vote pat kan long ha ka apsau Tarik. Ka Deputy Commissioner jong ka East KHASI Hills ka kong RM Kurba ka berdeiru ka returning officer ka lapen tikna ba ka pelut na kabenta ka ni Ilekshon ka long khat arlak tingka. Haringkat ke security deficit ke batang lai hajar tingka na ke benta ki kertong. Ya ke thup kerteng nong tap vote ba khat do on penmi ka apnyo Tarik mentau benai ke lalingkon. Ka jingkela ke bakong san mentau snem ke long ba ka jingpen kendria ikam ke bedai bat ke election na JN Stadium syaka ISBT na ki khatsan teli constituency jong ka KHASI. On pediang ya ki Jingthep kerteng ha ki lai teli ki jaka ba per Shipotli ha ISBT, lightly ha office jong ka Deputy Commissioner, but artli ha penursla. Hendai ka jingyo vote na kabenta baro ki constituency on pelong pedeng ha ISBT.
This is a period when school will be starting very soon, and also you've seen in the day-to-day there's traffic jam. Number two is that there are schools which have the board exam has already been started. So to ease the traffic, and also because most of the activities of this election process is in ISBT, so we've decided that 10 of the constituency should be in ISBT. Inclusive. Right now we have 15 constituency, 10 will be in ISBT, 3 in DC's office, and 2 in Pynbna for the nomination. But for counting, everything will be from ISBT.